protocol is a standard, right? So what is trying to be done in the AI space with model context protocol is unifying so that the world is trying to use that same protocol so that we can, when we have to integrate things, all the conversation now switches from hey, do you have APIs, and which routes and which endpoints of those APIs do I have to now call, to now you hide your API endpoints, you put an MCP server as the middleman, and now the MCP server is now handling which endpoint that user is trying to achieve if they're trying to open the garage, right? And so that's the standard interface, right? Is that you no longer really have to write a API integration protocol. You just now you have to write an MC.
Does this, I think a lot of the people, even me, would like question, would this make the entire environment of applications that can be built up to make one universal control remote, would this make it safer? And the straight answer is
No, it's the same. We haven't
it's
fixed. There's no fix in that security. The security
no.
is the same. No, it's the same. You still need to have authentication. You
Thank you.
still need to
Okay.
have because you still need to know, hey, am I getting this
Is this the
protocol from
right
the right
user?
people? Right?
Yeah.
Is
Is
this
this
does
the
this
right?
person have the permissions
Yeah.
to call on this server and to call on these actions? So that is why the protocol is so important, because it's standardizing how now we're going to also start standardizing the security of that,
Hmm.
right? Which is going to be the same. You're probably going to need an API key. You're going to need some form of authentication. There's going to be some form of handshake of saying, "Hey, I have permission to do this. Let me do it."
It's just orderly, I guess.
It's what everything is turning
Hmm.
into. It's just a wrapper around it. Where APIs and API endpoints and API backends and servers, they have their own use case, and that's going to be those are still going to exist. And these model context protocols, this is more for these